Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful ones, quietly waiting in our kitchen, hiding among familiar jars and spices. Between cinnamon sticks, jars of golden honey, and the comforting warmth of a cup lies a combination that has helped people for centuries, not only to soothe the body, but also to restore balance, reduce bloating, and support healthy weight loss. It's simple, natural, and surprisingly effective when used with consistency. The drink we're talking about is a blend of cinnamon, honey, and a touch of cumin mixed with hot water and taking at night before bed. It's more than just a home remedy. It's a small ritual of care, one that relaxes the mind and gently encourages the body to let go of stored fat, especially around the belly. For many people, the journey toward losing belly fat feels endless. Hours at the gym, strict diets, frustration, and the constant battle with the scale. Yet nature often offers quiet solutions that don't demand extremes, only consistency and understanding. This warm mixture works not because of magic, but because of chemistry, rhythm, and the way our bodies behave while we rest. Cinnamon is the first key. This fragrant spice, once more valuable than gold, carries powerful compounds that awaken the metabolism in subtle yet measurable ways. Research suggests that cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning the body can use sugar from food more effectively instead of storing it as fat. It also helps reduce spikes in blood sugar, which are one of the main triggers for abdominal fat storage. When blood sugar levels stay stable, energy remains steady, appetite becomes easier to control, and fat accumulation slows down naturally. The warmth of cinnamon has another gift. It's naturally comforting. Just the scent can lower stress and improve mood. And since stress is directly linked to the release of cortisol, the hormone that encourages fat storage around the midsection, this emotional calmness indirectly helps the physical process too. Then comes honey, a natural healer that complements cinnamon beautifully. Unlike refined sugar, honey doesn't send your blood sugar into chaos. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and trace minerals that nourish rather than drain the body. A small teaspoon of raw honey before bed supports liver function, stabilizes glucose through the night, and keeps metabolism humming at a healthy rhythm. But honey's magic goes beyond nutrition. It soothes. When mixed into warm water, honey relaxes the nervous system, quiets the mind, and helps the body prepare for deep, restorative sleep. And good sleep is absolutely crucial for weight management. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hunger hormones, and burns stored energy. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, raises cortisol and ghrelin, two hormones that make the body cling to fat and crave sweets. By drinking this mixture at night, we give the body exactly what it needs: gentle warmth, steady energy, and peace. Some people like to add a small amount of cumin to the recipe, just about a quarter of a teaspoon. It may sound unusual, but cumin has been used for centuries in traditional Indian and Middle Eastern medicine as a digestive booster. It stimulates enzymes that help the stomach break down food more efficiently, prevents gas, and reduces bloating. Many people notice that when they add cumin, their abdomen feels lighter and flatter in the morning. It's optional, but it does enhance the effect. The preparation is simple. Heat 1 cup of water, around 250 milliliters, until it's hot but not boiling. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a small stick, and if you like, a pinch of cumin. Stir for 30 seconds until the water turns slightly golden and aromatic. Then let it cool a little, about half a minute, before adding 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir again until everything blends smoothly. Drink it while it's still warm, about 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. That's it. 3 ingredients, 2 minutes, and a calm night ahead. Now, what happens inside the body once you start doing this every evening? During the first couple of days, most people notice a reduction in bloating. The stomach feels lighter, digestion improves, and there's less discomfort after dinner. This alone can make a visible difference in the shape of the belly. After about 3 or 4 nights, sleep often becomes deeper. Many people wake up more refreshed and less hungry in the morning. The reason is simple. With less sugar fluctuation and better rest, the body produces less cortisol and more leptin, the hormone that tells the brain, "I'm full." Over time, this leads to smaller portions, fewer cravings, and gradual fat reduction, especially in the abdominal region. It's also common to notice improved bowel movement, clearer skin, and a general sense of well-being. These are signs that the digestive system is working efficiently and that inflammation is decreasing. Of course, this drink is not a miracle potion. It's a natural support, a helper. To truly change body composition, the rest of your routine matters. Light dinners, regular movement, good hydration, and consistent sleep. These are the real pillars. The drink simply enhances what you're already doing. Think of it as giving your body a friendly push in the right direction. Each night, it supports digestion, balances energy, and helps the body burn instead of store. Small changes repeated often become transformation. As the days pass, this little moment starts changing how the body feels. The stomach tightens, energy stabilizes, and sleep deepens. And with each cup, the body learns this is the time to rest, to repair, and to release. Behind all of this is science. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, the compound responsible for its scent and its ability to activate fat-burning processes in fat cells. Honey contains flavonoids and phenolic acids, antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and support the liver, the organ most responsible for processing fat. Cumin adds digestive enzymes and aids nutrient absorption. Together, these create a mild thermogenic and detoxifying effect that support fat metabolism through the night. But science alone doesn't explain why this works so beautifully. The other half of the answer lies in rhythm, the power of consistency and routine. Taking a few minutes to prepare something warm every night tells the body that rest is near. The nervous system responds. Heart rate slows and stress hormones drop. The combination of physical warmth and emotional relaxation prepares the perfect environment for recovery. And that's where real wellness begins, in balance, not extremes. No starvation, no punishing workouts, no guilt. Just natural support, mindful habits, and steady results. For those who want to boost the effect, a few small steps make a big difference. Try ending dinner at least an hour before drinking this mixture. Keep that last meal light. Some vegetables, a lean protein, maybe a drizzle of olive oil. After eating, move a little. A 10-minute walk or a gentle stretching helps digestion and signals to the body that it's time to wind down. Then, when you sip the drink, it completes the cycle. Movement, nourishment, relaxation. The perfect trio for a healthy metabolism. Consistency is key. Even if results seem slow at first, the body is adapting internally. Hormones are balancing, inflammation is lowering, digestion is improving. After 2 weeks, the progress becomes visible. The belly feels less swollen, energy in the morning is higher, and clothes begin to fit differently. What started as a small nightly gesture turns into a sustainable habit, one that nurtures both body and mind. It's also worth noting how this combination benefits areas beyond weight. Regular use of cinnamon and honey strengthens the immune system, making it easier to fight infections. The antioxidants help protect cells from aging. Circulation improves, bringing oxygen to tissues and promoting healthy, radiant skin. The soothing properties calm the nerves, helping relieve mild anxiety and tension. Even the respiratory system benefits. Cinnamon and honey together can ease mild coughs and throat irritation. So in truth, this drink is a whole-body tonic disguised as a bedtime tea. But as with all natural remedies, moderation is essential. Anyone with diabetes, liver disease, or pregnancy should check with the doctor before making this a daily habit, as the body's chemistry in these conditions can respond differently. This simple nightly drink won't just help reduce belly fat, it will help restore connection with yourself. Each sip is a reminder that you're allowed to slow down, to heal, and to feel well. Thank you for being here and for taking this time to care for your health in such a gentle way. May your nights be peaceful, your mornings light, and your journey toward wellness filled with kindness and patience. Until next time, take care of your body and let it take care of you.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.